Good morning, everybody. How are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Totally Transformed. My name is Dawn, and I do videos on life transformation, health and wellness, and my own personal journey overcoming and healing from chronic illness. It has been a very hot minute since I've done a video, and I have some changes that are going on in my channel that I wanted to talk to you guys about. I'm out here in my garden. I wanted to show you guys my new garden area. I have been gardening up a storm, and I just planted this mulberry tree I'm so excited about. That's my lemon tree over there. And I call this my ghetto garden because I found these drawers on the side of the road that I'm using as beds, and they're working out. There's some kale here, lettuce. I have these grow bags. Lots of stuff going on in the garden. Tomatoes, peppers, herbs, all my favorite herbal things that I usually like in tea are over there. Last night I tried some lavender, and that was really good in a tea. And yeah, I've been gardening for like 20 years, and I wanted to kind of just take you out back. I've done some videos in my garden before, but I wanted to show you guys what exactly I'm growing. These are some new contraptions I built for beans and peas. I got some celery down there. I just bought some pak choi, which is like bok choy but purple, and I have some spinach here, beets. I got some cucumbers I'm getting ready to plant. This is my new little puppy, Ruby, and she is a hyper diaper. Say hello, Ruby. We just got her a few months ago, and she's super sweet. I just love her. Say hi, Ruby. Say, yeah, I got a lot of energy. She is part Chihuahua, part Jack Russell. If I would have read more about the Jack Russell, I would have thought twice about getting her, but she's been a lot of fun. We really enjoy her. But anyway, guys, I wanted to come on here just to explain all the things that are changing with this channel. I'm going to be doing still a lot of the same stuff, but you know, I haven't done a video for several months. I think the last one I did was in September, and I have 2 more videos that we're supposed to be editing, but bless you, Boo. That's my little Isaboo right there. Say hi, Boo. Yeah, say hi, everybody. She is my sweet Chihuahua, and she can do no wrong. Actually, she can, but she rarely does. She's really well behaved. But anyway, I have these. I did a video. The last video that I posted was about the juice lady, and we tried out this really great juicer that I just got last year called the Namawell, and she loves it. In fact, she got one, and I did 2 more videos with her, interviewing her about her story. You guys stay tuned for these, but we've been having problems editing one of the videos because my camera died, and then I had to use my phone, and we haven't been able to. It has different speeds. Long story, we just haven't been able to edit that. There's a 2-part interview with her, one on her story of how she was healed from fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue syndrome. For those of you who have that or know somebody who has that, stay tuned for that. Here's a hint. Juicing is a part of that. There's my green juice for the morning, and just celery juice is there. So yeah, so she's known as the Juice Lady Sherry. So she has had a full career doing that, and we just met each other out here in Arizona and became friends. So she is just, I'm going to a vegan retreat next week, so stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some videos out there talking about that, but it's run by her and her husband, and I'm so excited. It was canceled twice last year because of the vid, and so but welcome to 2021. Now we can go. So thank God, even though supposedly Arizona's worse off than it was during the lockdown. How ironic. But I have not gotten sick. I did a video on how to prevent getting COVID and prayers for COVID. I will link those below. And we have just been doing what's in those videos and praying every night. We've been reading Psalms 91 every night, and I'm telling you guys, we've not both gotten sick, you know, knock on wood. It's been such a blessing, you know, that I haven't gotten sick with that. And anyway, there is a little, oh, I wonder if I can show this to you guys. That is well, just went by. That was a hummingbird. Okay, whoa, now I'm too close up here, sorry. Let's back it up. All right, so guys, I wanted to go over some of the changes I'm gonna be doing with this channel. First of all, I'm gonna be changing the name of this channel to, from Totally Transformed to Step Into Your Healing. And the reason I want to change it to Step Into Your Healing is because I feel like that's really what this channel is about, is really sharing ways that you can step into your healing, sharing life transformation videos, sharing inspiration videos. Some of the changes that I'm making to the videos I'm making, I may do more of these garden tours explaining what you can do and you can grow for your health and well-being. You know, I'm telling you guys, this has just filled my soul. In fact, so much so that I quit my gym membership because I couldn't go last year, and this is what I did. Instead, it was every morning I started to expand my garden and plant a lot, and of course it didn't take time every single morning. I also just, you know, walked a lot and hiked and swam and things of that sort. So I haven't gone back to my gym because this takes up so much of my time in the morning right now that I just don't have the time to do it. So I've been working out at home, and it's just been awesome. You know, I have been able to just really, I do this thing on Facebook Live called Garden Tour Spiritual Lesson, because I do my spiritual time out here as well a lot of times, and I just, this really speaks to me tremendously, and there's just so many things that God speaks to me about when I'm out in my garden. So if you don't garden and you're making excuses that you have chronic illness or, you know, chronic pain and you can't garden, guys, just do it. I'm telling you, it really, really helps. I mean, there's a lot of people, you know, just the heavy lifting, if you can get some help with that. You know, I just had my husband bring out all the bags of soil, you know. We got a wheelbarrow finally, so we got a wheelbarrow there full of lemons that we are getting ready to process. I'll juice all those, and I end up sticking them in ice cube trays so I can have them throughout the year. A lot of times I have hot water with lemon in the morning. So I just encourage you, even if you have a porch outside, garden, because let me just show you these pots I got over. I don't garden for very expensive. These I garden on a dime, but those are pots I got from Dollar Tree, stackable pots, and you can grow quite a bit of food in there. I have strawberries, lettuce, flowers, herbs. I got some seeds going on in there. So anyway, I would encourage you to garden. So I'm going to start doing that here on this channel. They are usually a Facebook Live that I do, so I might do a live here, or I may just record it and share it, because they've been really popular, and no religious, you know, just non-denominational, and sometimes they're just life lessons, you know, that I learn here. So the other thing is you know, and I like sharing my faith because it's just super important to me, to my sanity every single day, you know. Just as much as I need to exercise, I need to spiritually, you know, fill myself. And I tell you, just every morning in the garden, doing my spiritual time out here is a fun. The weather right now is really great in Phoenix, between 65 to 75 degrees. And so we're kind of in our springtime, kind of, but it really isn't spring, you know. But it's really, really nice outside right now. So I've been doing a lot of planting. The other thing that I'm going to do that's going to be different with this channel than before is I'm also going to be doing some more prayers. I did that COVID prayer. I just felt really led that a lot of people need encouragement and prayer out there. So I've been doing these on Facebook Live as well, called prophetic healing prayers. I want to start doing that here, but start doing more inspirational videos on prayer, meditation, healing, you know, maybe more specific prayers. Just give me some feedback in the comments, specific prayers on certain conditions to pray for, like cancer, lupus or autoimmune diseases or whatever, and something that you can listen to daily and that would encourage you. And it may go every day. I might do this, who knows. I'm telling you, I have used YouTube for prayers. I pray with this guy. I'll link his information below as well. Evangelist Gabriel Fernandez. I pray with him every day, almost every day. So he has a video he does every single day, and he prays with people. He's from South Africa, really cool. And it's really helped me. It really, really has helped me. I've done this now for almost 2 years, I've been praying with him every morning. And so I just really felt led last year that a lot of people have so much anxiety, so much suffering that's been going on. And that's one of the reasons why we did the Covide prayer. So I want to do that as well. And we still will do the same videos that have been popular on this channel on the type of cleanses I'm doing. Like next week I'm doing the vegan challenge thing at this retreat. So, you'll follow me on that. I'm also working there. So I'm an acupuncturist. So I'll be doing acupuncture while I'm there, which I probably won't film because we are got to be HIPAA, So, but confidentiality. But I will show you what this vegan retreat will include. So if you're ever interested in doing it, it's twice a year that she does it. Sometimes 3 times a year she'll do it if she can get the space. And I'm so excited about doing that. And then the other thing that I'll be doing that's been popular too is sharing, recipes, what I eat in a day. One of my most popular videos is Whole30, what I eat in a day. I am now doing AIP. The next video too that I'm going to film for you, one of the next videos is going to be how my cleanse last year worked. I had 3 miracles happen last year in my health, and I shared one of those miracles, and that's my knees are healed. I don't need surgery. I'll link that video below. That was amazing. But 2 more miracles happened last year, guys, that I've been kind of just praying off my symptoms. Right now I've been praying a lot about the insomnia I suffer from. It's not daily. I just go through bouts of it. And I had a really bad one beginning of this year. Of course, I started praying about it and it got worse. But eventually it got better. And I felt like, God really showed me what I need to work on, And so that was really, really cool. But there was just so many good things that are happening this year. I've kicked things up a notch. I've changed some things that are actually working for me as well. So I want to share that with you guys because I just know it'll be encouraging to some of you. And so I'm currently doing the AIP, which is the autoimmune protocol or the autoimmune paleo diet. It's not been 100% because, it just is really, really restrictive. But at the same time, it just takes you off of anything that's inflammatory. I'll go into that more later. And I'll share some recipes that I've been doing. We've been really making some really great recipes. Both my husband and I are doing it together, He's not doing it 100%. He goes off of it here and there. And that's okay because he doesn't have an autoimmune disease. But I'm just really fortunate that he's come along with me to do that. And the other thing I mentioned too in one of the last videos I did is that I'm trying to train to get up a mountain, and I have really been lacking on doing this, or slacking, and I haven't really been training much to do that, but I am planning on starting to do that, and I'm going to take you guys along with me to show you that process. I still have pain that it's difficult, but I definitely have a strong desire to get back into it. There's a mountain I really want to climb out here, and I've been up halfway up this mountain, so I'm determined to get all the way up. Whether it's this spring or, fall, sometime this year, I'm hoping that it'll happen. So I'm going to take you with me on that journey. But yeah, that's the changes. We're going to change the name of this channel to Step Into Your Healing. And despite me not doing a video for the last 6 months almost, you guys are still watching my videos, and on top of it, I'm still getting subscribers, every month, every week. I mean, even though it's a few, it's still, you guys are still subscribing, which is really, really cool. So thank you for being a part of this community. And I apologize, it has been a while since I've uploaded. We still have quite a bit of content we're going to do. If you guys don't know, I had 2 channels, one called Fertility, Hope, and Healing that was more directed to my business. because I'm a fertility coach as well and a licensed acupuncturist, and that's what I focus on. And I've stopped doing videos specifically for that channel so I can focus more on this channel. I'm going to be still doing videos on that. I'll link that channel below if you guys are interested or know somebody who wants to get pregnant or is having difficulty getting pregnant. It's for either or. That channel's blown up. I mean, a little bit, you know. There's been a couple videos on there that I've really done well, and people are still subscribing and watching that, so it's really funny. But I'm going to focus more on this channel because my heart is here with you guys, and I really care about you. I just want to be there to inspire you, encourage you, pray with you. So yeah, let me know if you have any ideas for other videos you'd like to see. I would love to hear about it. And I have a Facebook group called Totally Transformed. I'll link that. I may be changing the name if I can to Step Into Your Healing to really redirect that. But anyway, guys, I hope you like the ideas I have for this year and give me some feedback. I would love to hear from you guys. And I hope you guys are doing well. I've missed doing these videos. I can't wait to really do all these things that I have in my heart to help you guys this year, and to really, it encourages me to encourage you. All right, guys, I love you all. Love and blessing.